Welcome back to CABSAT 2019. It's our final day, so let's take a look back at day 3. And we start with a look back through what is best described as the full content journey that CABSAT provides each and every year. The photography workshops, popular across all 3 days, were once again very well attended, with a landscape and cityscape seminar with Dany and fashion and portrait photography with Lubbe. CABSAT is always a content-rich, innovation-driven event showcasing the very best in production equipment, new technology and business systems for all media platforms. With the halls once again highlighting the breadth of technology available at this massive regional event. And with satellite and content distribution, the strength of solutions and companies here are proof of the undeniable value of satellite in the distribution chain, with operators really understanding the demands of video. So that's it for CABSAT 2019, but remember you can stay up to date with all the latest industry news and more of our speaker and exhibitor interviews via social media and of course online at cabsat.com. Until next year, goodbye.